In this video, we are going to see about heavy and light objects. Heavy objects have more weight and light objects have less weight. Now I am going to narrate a story for you to understand heavy and light objects. Papa and Sam, they are at the supermarket to buy the fruits and vegetables. They have a bag to carry the fruits and vegetables. The bag is empty and it is easy for Sam to carry the bag as it has less weight, as it is light. Now Papa picks up some potatoes and puts them in the bag. Sam helps Papa by holding the bag for him. Still the bag is light as it has less weight objects. Papa picks up some onions and put them in the bag. Still the bag is light and it is easy for Sam to carry the bag. Now Papa lifts up the watermelon and put it in the bag. Oh no, the bag becomes heavy. So Sam lifts the basket. It is heavy for him to carry. So Papa carried the bag as it is heavy for Sam to hold. Papa puts some apples. He then puts up a bunch of grapes in it. Now Papa puts a bag of potatoes in the basket. He is not able to carry the basket as it is heavy. As it is heavy, Papa is not able to carry the basket. Now the shopkeeper gives them a cart. Sam is happy by pushing the cart. Hope you understand the difference between heavy and light. Thank you.